Hi, Ron Thompson with Alfra, USA, up in Chicago. Today I'm out here in Denver and I'm going to show you the latest generation of the metal cutting circular saws. We've been making these saws for about 10 years now, and this actually is the 4th generation. We made a commitment some time ago to industrialize this type of product rather than go to the DIY market. And so you're going to see a saw that's a lot more rugged than most. Also has some additional advantages and features about it that haven't been appearing on any other saw. The biggest change that we made is to go from a direct drive motor to a worm drive motor. That makes it a much stronger product. It enables you to do much longer runs cutting steel plate without it cycling out and having to reset it in order to start again. And as you know, if you've used these saws, every time you reset it, it shortens the life of the cycle. We also did some major things with the adjustments necessary for depth and also necessary for beveled angle. So we, instead of the old screws you had to do, or the big thumb screws you had to manipulate, now you just very easily flip up your lever. You can easily do your depth adjustment, or over here you adjust your lever and you can easily do your bevel. We also took away the batteries that powered the laser, and we've made that in line in the saw. So now you have a very effective laser unit, and there you can see it coming down, and you could do it either for a 90 or a 45. But what we're going to do is a small cut on this piece of channel iron, just to show you how the new saw works. If you've worked with this type of saw before, you probably know that all of your chips go into the well. They leave the point of contact, cutting contact, so rapidly that you have no buildup of heat, thus making you able to pick up whatever it is you're cutting. There's no heat on that part whatsoever. So it's essentially a cold cutting saw. And then after you do that about 50 times or so, you just remove your thumb screws, take your plate off, dump your chips out, put it back on, and you're ready to go again. But this is the industrial version of the 9-inch metal cutting saw by Alfra, and we've had this out for about a year now. Much stronger than any other saw of its kind on the market.